intended outcome.
It will finish its return to home if they're jamming or not.
Back?
Ja, da wo dieses erhöhte Punkt ist. Das ist ein Transporter.
Nice.
E viene così in obbligo, c'è il vento contro.
Within the alliance, there is a multiplication effect that you will see when everybody works in the same direction and we can talk to each other the same language. And I'm saying here not only speaking French and English as the languages, but also speaking technical languages, the same language. So for NATO, it's important to make sure that when nations are procuring capability and investing money in this capability, their capabilities can be employed together into a joint area of operation, such that we can achieve this multiplication effect of an alliance.
The reason for this event is to bring all together. There are in NATO so many countries, so many systems, and we want to have them integrated. And that's basically the intent of this exercise, to try to find ways to integrate all these different systems, to bring up with a common operational picture. And operational brings you so much advantages to trying to mitigate this drone threat that we are seeing.
0-second integration is really important, because rather than spending months or years developing a system, and by the time you've fielded the system, the threat has changed or gone away, you can just click together these pieces like Lego, and they just work at deployment time. So you can respond to a threat, to a new threat or an emerging threat, by integrating the pieces you need at the time you need them.